About LUBA 2 AWD 5000H robot lawnmower RTK+Vision Integration. A trust choice for complex and terrain. With enhanced RTK signal coverage and 3D vision positioning technology, places with weak signals or hefty trees coverage is no more a problem. LUBA 2 AWD 5000H all-wheel drive, automatic robot lawnmower can navigate narrow passages, objects and slopes, handling slopes of up to 80%/38 degrees, cuts at a max height of 4 inches, and covers up to 5,381 square feet per hour, perfect for lawns that up to 1.25 acres. No perimeter wires, no more pains, still in the pain of installing a boundary wire. Why not pick Mammotion robot mower? No perimeter wire is needed to set up or repair anymore. With the app, you can set the virtual boundaries in centimeter-level accuracy positioning and map your lawn, thanks to the advanced RTK-GNSS and multi-sensor navigation system.